wrapping up day 3 here at the 2024 CNC conference. It's been an amazing experience. If you missed this one, you missed a good one. We had great speakers, phenomenal speakers, great education, CE credits. Everything was just a first-class experience. And let me not leave out the hospitality, the food, poker entertainment, photo booths. Everything was just hands down first class. You better get here next year if you missed this one. It was great.
Yeah, it was really a great experience all the way around. Really enjoyed it. Everybody was definitely, all the presenters were very passionate about what they were doing, and you could see it through their presentations. It was really amazing.
It was a good experience this year, getting to meet some of the people behind the scenes, some of the higher up people that you never get to meet, and just see how everything gets put together.